Okay, we've just gotten to camp. We've gotten ourselves all set up. We're starving, so we're gonna have some lunch, register, and then get to the first talk, which is happening at 3 o'clock. Chris and I are here at Horizons Unlimited Adventure Travelers Meetup Group. It's for motorcycles. It's all about adventure travel on motorcycles. But Chris and I don't have a motorcycle, and we have no intention of getting one. So let me show you why we've decided to come anyways. First off, there's a packed schedule designed for adventure travelers.
We're gonna go check out some talks. I think there's some things about going to Colombia. We're gonna go check it out.
I crossed to Moroccan Sahara, Western Sahara, and headed south.
The talks here are just incredible. Hearing people's stories of their travels. We were just listening to somebody who was talking about traveling through West Africa and seeing the photos of the different cities and the different towns. I can't wait to go. It's hard to control my excitement.
So in January of this year, my motorbike was air freighted from London to Cape Town.
When I'm listening, I have like such an emotional reaction to it. Like I want to either start crying from like happiness and just how beautiful the world is, or I get tingles on my arm. It's such a fantastic place to be, and it's so cool to be surrounded by other people who love to travel. Yeah, they use motorbikes, we don't, but it's so cool just to be in this environment. I'm so inspired.
Okay, are you ready?
In addition to the inspiring talks, an unexpected benefit of coming to Horizons Unlimited is getting to watch the motorcycle trials. This is Emily Roberts on the bike right now. She's freaking amazing.
That was very cool. It was like awesome to watch all those riders, and it was really cool that we had gotten to know some of them before they started, like over the last couple of days, and we were able to cheer them on. That was a lot of fun.
It's not a presentation, just so we're clear.
Another reason we came here was to learn, like what I found out about travel and dental health. A few of the takeaways that I got from the talk were: 1, see a dentist 6 months before you travel. And that's because if anything kind of comes up, you'll have 6 months to address it before you hit the road. Now, Chris and I are traveling all the time, so that doesn't necessarily apply quite to us, but we do try and see a dentist every 6 months. So I kind of feel like we have that covered. One of the other things is if you have an emergency on the road, like you start to feel an infection or something come on, to have antibiotics available to you. And he did list the antibiotics that he recommends, but I think the best thing to do there is to talk to your dentist and see which kind of antibiotics you should be bringing with you when you're traveling. The last thing that I took from the talk is that if you're having a dental emergency while you're on the road, try not to put it off. Do your best to get to a major center and get it addressed as quickly as you can. Horizons Unlimited hosts these incredible dinners where we can meet like-minded adventure travelers.
It's dinner time. I got chicken parmesan and some spaghetti with red sauce and some sort of corn and bean salad and Caesar salad and a bun. Good.
The Nakusp campground is fantastic, and I feel so comfortable camping here. One of the fantastic things about this campground and this festival, there are hot showers. Good morning from the Microcamper. Chris has fixed up our clothing shelves, and they are so much better now. Our clothing shelves, they're made from PVC piping, and the PVC used to just be pipes, and then our cubes would kind of fall into them and it wouldn't hold very well. But he's put cardboard and then some papier-mâché on top of it to reinforce everything and still stay lighter than using plywood. And now the cubes stay up here. They're nice and smooth. Nothing's sagging underneath. They're really cool. The last reason we wanted to come to this motorcycle festival, we wanted to see what Nakusp itself was like. We're just coming into town. We turned the corner. I saw a market, my favorite thing. It's Saturday. We're gonna go check it out.
So there's two things I want to buy so far, and they're both a lot of sugar.
Do you like light or dark?
I'll try the light.
The sample's raspberry from our garden. Some people never buy my chocolate, they just come for the outfit of the day.
All right, thank you.
Yeah.
Oh, that is really
this
good.
This is my third book of comments. I don't add any sugar to the filling. The raspberries are from our garden. The huckleberries are made with real huckleberry puree.
This whole area is just so stunning. We've got Arrow Lake behind me with the mountains in the background. Nakusp is beautiful. And that's our weekend at the Horizons Unlimited Travelers Meetup Group. It was a fantastic weekend, but Chris and I have lots more coming up. We're going to continue. We're going to head back to Vancouver, but we are taking the very long way around, and we cannot wait to show it to you in our next video.